Saki.
Hi, Andrew.
Hi. Thanks very much for
Thank you.
this.
Most welcome.
Explain to me the circumstances under which you decided to defect.
All things become wrong, and our aim at the first was to liberate country, especially from the frontline states, and now it turns to such as terror activities, organized crime, kind of that.
So
which
you
is
were
not suitable.
against the terrorism?
Yes, we were against that all.
So you supported the goals of Al-Shabaab, but you didn't support its methods.
Even the beginning goals, the beginning time, the goals was to liberate Somalia only from the neighboring invasion, and to save the country, to rebuild again. But this turned it wrong, and the path became wrong.
And what would you say to your former colleagues in Al-Shabaab who are plotting and planning and carrying out more?
I will say to them to stop such a things, targeting civilians. This is not a legitimate thing. And I will say to them, if they're doing, they can fight with soldier as a soldier. This is the ethics of the war. But targeting innocent people living in their campus universities, this is unlawful.
Since you've defected and you've been negotiating your future, there's been the attack by Al-Shabaab at Garissa University. Nearly 150 young students killed. What's your reaction to that?
Really shocked.
Really shocked?
Yes, really
You knew
shocked.
the organisation. You must have known this was likely.
Yes,
This is what they
no,
do.
this is not the right things. And just innocent students, young students in university, in campus, just like me. I remember when I was in university, how I was. Student having book and pen, nothing committed. It's not, we cannot say anything about that, except it's brutal, it's total wrong.
How much of a connection do you still have with Al-Shabaab?
No
How
connection.
much intelligence do you
Absolutely no connection. They see me as a non-believer. They say it as a murtad, so no connection with them at all.
They want to kill you?
Yes, they're trying to kill me.
Do you feel you're safe?
Now I feel safe, yes.
And how do you feel the authorities here have treated you?
They treated me very nice. They welcomed me a very good way. And I thank to the government for that welcome.
And now you're here, what happens next for you? You're in a safe house, your old partners want you dead. Do you have a future?
Yes, I believe I have a bright future.
A bright future,
Absolutely.
doing what?
Saving the country.
You want to be a politician?
I haven't decided yet, but it seems so.